Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today I'll be going through how to close a bank account. Let's jump right in. So we'll begin by opening Agrimaster, and then we'll just select the correct file and click open. Once the file is open, we'll go into Setup and Tools, Cash Book Setup, and then Bank Accounts. So today we'll be closing the farm account. We can keep all the details the same here. We just want to change the closed on date. So I'll just say that I closed on the 30th of September. So it's very important you don't put it with like this. You need to keep it in the same format as the as at box there. So I'll just put 30th of September, so just SEP, and then 2023. And it's not an active account, so this should be ticked. You just want to untick it. And then once we've done that, we'll green tick, and that should be it. So we'll go back into the reconciliation screen. And you'll notice that we're still in September, so the bank account is still here. If I close the month, and I go back into reconciliation, and in the month of October, the farm account's gone. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.